Hello students, let's start with the question number 21 of sequence and series miscellaneous exercise NCERT plus 1. Statement is find the sum of the following series up to n terms. These questions are too much important. Maybe some difference in statement is there in final examination. In place of 5, maybe 6, maybe 7, maybe 8, and you have to take this number common. If this number is other than 9, then multiply and divided by 9, and now 9 can be converted into 10 minus 1, 100 minus 1, 1000 minus 1. In this way you can generate the series. Check the first value, it's 10, then 100, then 1000. Clearly it's GP. It's 10 raised to power 1, 10 raised to power 2, 10 raised to power 3, up to so on. Now you can apply the formula of sum of GP. The formula for sum of GP is A r raised to power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 minus n 1 up to so on n times. In the denominator it's 9. Simply multiply 5 over 9 inside. You can get the answer. If there is change in the statement, suppose 7 here, then you can take 7 common, nothing else, and rest the question is same. Now if the question is in decimal format, 0.6, 0.66, 0.666, take 6 common, then again multiply by 9, then you can write 1 minus 0.1. Similarly 1 minus 0.01, 1 minus 0.001, like this. It means you can write 1 minus 1 over 10, 1 minus 1 over 100, 1 minus 1 over 1000. And the second term in this case is GP, with the first term 1 over 10, and common ratio is also 1 over 10. Now you can apply the formula. Here it becomes 9 over 10, then 10 can be cancelled with denominator's term. You can write 1 over 9, 1 minus 1 over 10 raised to power 9, and outside 6 over 9, when we cancel these terms, you can obtain 2 over 3. Now 2 over 3 when multiplied by n, it's 2n over 3, and 2 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 9, it's 2 over 27, and inside bracket you can write 1 minus 1 over 10 raised to power n. Now question number 22. Find the 20th term of the series 2 into 4, 4 into 6, like this. The series is like this. Split the series. You can find the nth term of the first term, it's 2n, and because 2 is added to each term, it means you can write 2n plus 2 in the last term. It's nth term basically. If you have to find the 20th term, it means just insert 20, 2 into 20 plus 2 into 20 plus 2, it's 42, it's 1680. It's the simplest question. Then question number 23. This question is a little bit complicated. You have to find the relationship between the terms. First term is 3, it means you can write 1 plus 2. Second term is 7, you can write 1 plus 2 plus 4. And third term is 13, you can write 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. Basically the difference between terms, you can check. The difference between first and second term is 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, like this. It means the difference increases by a factor 2. It means if first term is 1 plus 2, then 1 plus 2 plus 4, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6, like this. It means you can write the first term as 1 plus 2 into 1, and second term as 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 2. You can take 2 common from second and third term. Similarly third term and fourth term and fifth term. It means we can write easily the nth term. 1 plus 2, 1, 2, 3 up to so on n. Then insert the summation formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2. 2 can be cancelled with the numerator and denominator term. Then multiply. You will get 1 plus n square plus n. It's the nth term. Now you can calculate easily the sum of the series. It's Sn. First term is 1, it means Sn is n. Second term is n square, it means Sn is sigma n square, then sigma n. Now insert the values of sigma n square and sigma n. It's n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 over 6, it's n into n plus 1 over 2. Then n into n plus 1, it's n square plus n into 2n plus 1. Then multiply these terms, it's 2n cube, n square, 2n square and n. Simply here take LCM. 6 is LCM, it means 6 is multiplied by first term and 3 is multiplied by last term because the denominator is 2. It's 3n square plus 3n. Now collect the similar terms, nothing else. 2n cube, second is n square plus 2n square plus 3n square, it's 6n square. 6 plus 1 plus 3, it's 10n. Now take 2n common and inside you can write n square plus 3n plus 5. 2 can be cancelled by the denominator term, it's 3. Easily you obtain the answer because this term is not factorized. It means you can write as it is n square plus 3n plus 5 into n divided by 3. Question number 24. S1 is given to you. It's n into n plus 1 over 2. S2 is sigma n square. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. S3 is sigma n cube. The formula is n into n plus 1 over 2 whole square. And you have to prove 9 into S2 square is equal to S3 into 1 plus 8 S1. You can start from right hand side. Start from right hand side, S3, 1 plus 8 S1. Insert the formula for S3 and 1 plus 8 S1. It's the value of S1. Now cancel 2 into 4, 8. It's 4n square plus 4n. What is the meaning of this? 4n square plus 4n plus 1. It's 2n plus 1 whole square. Now multiply and divide it by 36 so that you can design the formula for S2. It's the formula for S2. It's n into n plus 1 over into 2n plus 1 over 6 whole square and 9 is extra. Nothing else. You have to adjust the terms so that you can design S2. It's 9 into S2 square. It's right, left hand side. Question number 25. 1 cube over 1. 1 cube plus 2 cube divided by 1 plus 3. It's the series up to so on nth term. What about nth term? You can write 1 cube over 1 and 1 cube plus 2 cube divided by 4. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube divided by 9 up to so on. Check the term in the denominator. It's n square basically. And what about the numerator? It's sigma n cube. Insert the formula of sigma n cube, n into n plus 1 over 2 whole square. It's n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 because n square can be cancelled. Now open the square bracket. It's n square plus 1 plus 2n divided by 4. If you have to find the sum, then you can insert sigma here. Sigma n square. What about 1? It's n. 2 into sigma n. Now insert the values of sigma n square and sigma n. Basically these are the summation formulae. Now take n common. It's n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. It's 1 and here n plus 1. Now take LCM. You obtain the formula. In the next video, I will discuss about the rest of the questions of a miscellaneous exercise.